Welcome to the Burrow. It's your host, Lala Bunny, head trader at Bimbo Trading Academy. And the topic of today's video is rebuilding credit. Specifically, which card is going to help you get there? Well, I have the answer for you. And the name of that card is opensky. Let's get into it. So if you have bad credit, poor credit, low credit, fair credit, no credit, you might feel lost because on one hand, you're applying for cards and getting denied. On the other hand, you're getting offers in the mail, maybe for cards that have terrible interest rates and terrible fees, and you feel really stuck and you don't know. Maybe you've never had a credit card before, or maybe you were where I was, where I had a huge limit. I had tons of cards, and then, yeah, some stuff happened, life happened, and now I have to rebuild my credit. So the only card that would really give me a chance was Open Sky. And I've had it. I still have it. It's in good standing. I pay it on time, and I really have had a good experience. So I am actively rebuilding my credit right now. I've had it for over a year, I believe. Okay, so you want a card. This card has no credit check. That should be music to your ears. Also, you don't need a bank account, which is rare. You can actually pay this card through Western Union or a money order. And some people don't have a bank account for whatever reason. So if that's you, then this is the card for you. Now, the Open Sky Visa secured card has no annual fee. Let me explain what a secured card is really quickly. Because you don't have good credit, you need to, no one wants to lend you money. You got to put up some of your own money to borrow against. So if you want to put up $100, your borrowing limit will be 100. If you want to put up 200, it'll be 200, 300, and so on. Okay. Now the rating, the card has a 4.3 rating on NerdWallet. If you don't already use NerdWallet, it's a great source of financial information. And there's a 4.4 rating for the Open Sky Plus card, which is the one that I have. When you pay your card on time or late, it will report to all three credit bureaus. So don't think just because this credit card is easier to get that they're not going to care whether you miss a payment or not. It's really, really super important. That's how you rebuild your credit, is by paying on time every month. The three credit bureaus are called TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, or Equifax, however you want to say it. Now, there's actually three different versions of this card. When I applied, there were only two versions. Now there's three versions. Okay. The Open Sky Launch Secured Visa card has a minimum deposit of $100 and a maximum of $1,000. There's a $2 monthly fee in the first year. And I read the fine print. The annual fee is paid in installments. Then it's a $3 monthly fee for every year after that. The interest rate is called the APR. Right now is 28.99, so pretty much 29%. Now, why is this card good? Well, it has a minimum deposit of 100. So that means if you only have $100 and you want to open up a credit card, you're able to do so. And since it has a lower maximum of like 1,000, this would be for someone who's maybe just starting out. And again, you're early on in your credit journey, and this card could work for you. Just a note, the late and return payment fees are $41 and $40. So you definitely just like cannot pay late, and you don't want to get a return payment that bounces because your bank account doesn't have enough money in it. Now, then there's the regular Open Sky Visa. The minimum to open it is $200. The maximum is $3,000. So as you can see, there's a way bigger credit limit on this one. There is a $35 annual fee, and the current APR is 24.64. So almost 25%, a little lower than the other one. Now, here's the card that I have. If you can qualify for it, this is the best one because it avoids those monthly fees and annual fees. The Open Sky Plus card has a minimum deposit of $300 and a maximum of $3,000. Okay, do you notice something? The first card had a minimum deposit of $100. The next one had a minimum deposit of $200. This one has a minimum deposit of $300. So not everyone has $300. If you can't open this one yet, maybe open one of the other ones. But when you're ready, when you have that $300 ready to go, I recommend the Open Sky Plus card. Now, the APR, so here's the big, here's the big deal. It has no annual fee, so that will save you money. The APR right now is 28.99, so pretty much 29%. Now, if you carry a balance on your credit card, you have to pay interest on it. But if